Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make Afrobeat in FL Studio 21. How to make Afrobeat in FL Studio 21. So the first thing we need to look in here is to choose our tempo. So Afrobeat tempo usually ranges between 80 to 100. So in this particular project, we're going to use tempo of 100. So I'm going to put my 100 here. Then the first thing we need to do is to select our drum and snare. So I'm going to come here to your drum pack. You go to your drum pack. So I'm going into my Afrobeat pack. Okay, so going into my Afrobeat pack, I want to select my instrument, Afro pack. So I'm collecting my shakers. So I'm going to be using the kick right here. So that's our snare there. I'm going to clean that up. I'm going to put a two-step. So I'm going to select a conga. I'm going to take a percussion, take it right here. So try to make your drum simple so that it will follow up easily. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to add my shakers. So my shakers, I'm just going to put one here. And I will come here, adjust to fit to tempo, auto detect fit to tempo. So my tempo is between 100, is between 75. I will choose 75 to 150. So it will automatically adjust the time for this particular loop to fit the tempo. So what you simply do is to off this loop section. So let's see how it goes. Then I can just, let me put a two-step. I'm going to adjust the length. So try to make your drum section simple as it is. Simple as it is. So now that we've finished them, we're going to play our chord. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to add our keyboard here. So I'll open up our keyboard. Then I'm going to choose a root note. Then you count 0, 1, 2, 3. So that's the code. 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to press this loop so that it can automatically help you fill in the other side with the drums. Just go here. So I'm going to change this instrument. Try. So the next thing is for us to add a melody. So I'm going to look for another instrument here to add a melody. I'll look for a guitar instrument. So that is your first melody. This is just a sample. This is our first sample melody. Then we can just add another melody to this. Then we'll look for plug instruments. So make sure you select any instrument of your choice that fit into your. So this, I'm randomly choosing any instrument. going to off this one first. I'm going to duplicate this. So I'm going to save this project. I go to desktop. And I create new folder. So you can also spice it up. So guys, this is exactly, you follow my step by step so that you go. So the first thing I did was to create your drum section first. After you lay your kick, then you play your snare. Then you put your shakers. Then after your shakers, then you put your piano. So you saw the way I followed everything up. Then I played my background instrument. Then I played my melody. So the next thing I'm going to do here to make this beat very short and simple so that I can actually show you how simple it is to make beat, then I'm going to play my bass line. So what you just need to do now is I'm going to bring in a bass line. So I'm going to come here. I'm actually using stock plugins just to show you a sample how to make beat. Then I'm going to bring in this bass line. So this is just basically the bass line. So I'm going to show you a sample. So to play a bass line, just come here, copy the last section of this instrument and place it here. So to sample this, just check. So you can as well use any sample of your bass line too. So we're going to play everything together to see how it makes sense. So guys, this is how pretty much you make Afrobeats in FL Studio. So follow my step by step and replicate the same thing. Then your own beat will sound exactly just what you are hearing. So make sure you follow step by step and do it to subscribe to this channel so that you continue to get notification whenever I upload video like this. So on the next video, I'm going to show you how to mix and master beats in FL Studio. I'm going to show you a complete tutorial on how to master this. Now I'm definitely going to use this same sample of beat to show you how to mix and master this beat in FL Studio. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and watch the next video and don't skip so that you don't miss out any vital information. See you in the next video.